never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist.
Alright guys, so we're going to do a good old fish fry. I have some tilapia fish here that has been rinsed off. I always like to rinse my fish because I don't like the fishy smell or taste. I thought that was cool. Don't forget to make sure that you subscribe to our channel to be notified when we do upload recipes on here. Most of our cooking tutorials are going to be live on Facebook. All of our social media links will be in the description box. So as far as seasoning goes, of course you saw the Old Bay. I did some black pepper, some lemon pepper. Really, you have more freedom to do whatever it is that you like, but the seasonings that you see within the 4 containers, those I purchased at Aldi, in the Aldi's fine section. So they're very unique and they taste good. Now this is Andy's seasoning that I put in a bag. You can use the Louisiana breading, whatever it is you like, and we're going to cook it in canola oil. The canola oil is going to give it such a beautiful fry. While we're waiting on that to fry, we're going to start our sides and start with some rice-a-roni that my husband picked out. He really enjoys this type of rice. It was my first time cooking it. My feedback on it, it was a little bit al dente for me, following the instructions, but the feedback that I received, that was good. You let me know in the comment section, what type of rice-a-roni do you like? Because I used this kind the first time. We got it again, and I'm looking forward to trying something different with it to make it a little softer. I really love the 4 cheese, the chicken. I grew up on the beef. So just let us know in the comments which rice-a-roni flavor you actually like. Alright, now our first batch of fish is officially done, but it doesn't want to come out the basket. So funny. Second batch is in. Being that we're a large family, so I believe I made like 4 batches of fried fish, because 2 can go in each basket without it actually kind of getting stuck. We paired it with some whole sweet kernel corn, and you know I love plating. So here we go. And we're going to top that bad baby with some parsley and some lemon pepper, because that's my new thing. I don't know why, but I love the lemon zest. And serve it up. Thank you so much again for watching. Welcome to the Nash House. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social sites so we can stay connected with you. Until next time, make sure you eat some delicious fried fish like this. We'll see you soon.
Bye.